In this video, I'll show you how to log into Hotmail on your phone. If you still use a Hotmail email address, the first thing to know is that Hotmail now works through Outlook.com and your Microsoft account. Microsoft says you can sign into Hotmail by going to Outlook.com and choosing Sign In, or by adding the account in the Outlook mobile app on your phone. One easy way is to use the Outlook app. First, download and open the Outlook app on your Android phone or iPhone. Microsoft says that when you open Outlook for the first time, you can tap Add Account, enter your email address, and then follow the prompts to authenticate the account. That works for both iOS and Android. Now enter your Hotmail email address, then tap Continue or Next. After that, type your password and complete the sign-in process. If your Microsoft account has extra security turned on, Microsoft may ask you to approve the sign-in with a verification code or another security step before the login is completed. Microsoft also says your Microsoft account sign-in can use your email address or phone number linked to the account. Once the sign-in is successful, your inbox should start loading inside the Outlook app. From there, you can read emails, send new messages, and manage your account directly from your phone. Outlook Mobile is usually the easiest option because it is designed for Microsoft email accounts and works well with Outlook.com, Hotmail, and Microsoft 365 accounts. There is also another option if you do not want to use the Outlook app. On iPhone, Apple says you can add your account through the built-in Mail app by going to Settings, then Apps, then Mail Accounts, and choosing Add Account. Microsoft's iPhone setup guide says that for Outlook-related accounts, you can choose Microsoft Exchange and then sign in with your Hotmail account details. If you are using Android and prefer a different mail app, Microsoft also provides Outlook.com account settings for other mail apps and devices, although the Outlook app is usually the simplest method for most users. And if you run into a problem, such as the password not working or the account not opening, Microsoft has a dedicated sign-in help page for Outlook Mobile and another one for Microsoft account access problems. And that's it. That's how to log into Hotmail on your phone. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.